everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J, and today I'm going to be doing an overview and two different looks using some new products that I picked up from Charlotte Tilbury. So both of these products are limited edition, but from what I know about Charlotte Tilbury is that her limited edition just means limited life. What I'm going to be using today are her new highlighter, the Superstar Glow highlighter, and it comes in this case. And the highlighter is in silver packaging, and it looks kind of like her bronzer packaging, but it's silver. Here's her bronzer, here's the highlighter. As you all can see, they are the same size, which means that this highlighter is pretty big. So this has 11.5 grams of products, or 0.40 ounces of product, and it retails for $55. And then I have the eyeshadow palette. This one is the Bejewelled Eyes to Hypnotise eyeshadow palette, and this one retails for $75. Again, limited edition, and here is what the palette looks like. So we have the silver packaging, but it's still classic Charlotte. So if you all are familiar with Charlotte's palettes, then you'll know she divides them up into looks. And so I think she does that because she wants it to be easier for you to just go and see 3 different eyeshadows and be able to create a color story for how you want your eyeshadow to look. But you all know me, I'm going to be jumping around the palette. I may use something over here as well as something over here to just create an entire look. And so here's what the range looks like. So it's bronzier type shades. There's a little bit of pink in here. So the overall color story is very romantic. Let's go ahead and jump into swatches, and I will swatch each shade and label it. I'll leave it up on the screen for you all, but if you are interested in seeing it more in depth, screenshot it, and that way you all can zoom in and look at it for as long as you need to. So let's go ahead and do it. Mwah. Enjoy. Let's do a simple eye look. So I'm first going to take a blending brush and the shade number 2 from the Happy Glow section, and I am going to blend. Okay, I'm going to blend this shade out in my crease and then blend it above my crease. This is going to be my transition shade, as well as, you know, a little bit of crease action. Same brush, and I'm going to pick up this brown right here from the Seduce Glow portion. And I'm just going to pop that right on the outer portion using the same brush. So I'm just going to really drive this product home and then blend it up towards the crease area. I'm going to go in with this first one and just pick it up on the flat side of this brush and just use this brush to pack on that color. Blend it, make sure to pack it next to the outer corner color. I'm going to pick up my blending brush and just kind of go over the edge a little bit with no additional products, just to make sure that everything is blended. But boom, we're in the house. So I'm going to go in with this shade. So pretty. I'm going to do my liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. I put on my eyeliner and my lashes. So now I just want to do a little bit of eyeshadow on the lower lash line. I'm first going to go back in with this shade and rim it around. Put it on the lower inner corner. Okay. And then on the rest, I'm just going to go in with Happy Glow. Keep it really simple. And take that all across the rest of the lower lash line with the same brush. Now let me go in with a little bit of eyeliner and mascara on the lower lashes. And here's my first finished eye look using the palette. So I'm going to go into this brown from the Seduce Glow Trio. And I'm going to take this lightly in my crease and then buff it up as my transition shade. This is very, very pigmented. And this one is a rougher blending brush. Just going back and forth. This is going to be a really, really nice diffused brown shade. I love how rich it is. Now I'm going to take this purple shade with the same brush, and I'm going to pop that on the outer corner. So I'm just going to take my time and build this up and wrap it around. Beautiful. So I'm going to take this pinkish shade. Oh, I know, right? Who am I? This pink shade? Really? Kelsee? You? It's because it's like a pinky, like bronze looking color. Looks interesting. And I'm going to take that all on the lid with a flat shader just to pack it on. This one is a rougher 02 brush. Ooh, yes. That color though. Okay, Charlotte. I actually want to brighten it up more, so I'm going to go here and see if that gives me a little bit more lightness. Yeah. Yeah, I want it to be light. In the middle, I'm going to take it to the bronze. And then you know I have to bring it back home with that purple. It's a must. I think that's beautiful. Let me go ahead and add liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. And let's put on this highlighter together. Let's get this highlight going. That looks wet. I love the way that that gives me a nice rose gold gleam. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be back and we can talk about my final thoughts about this palette, this highlighter, and just everything and in between. So I'll check you guys shortly. Let's talk about my final thoughts about these products, because I think Charlotte is onto something here, and I expressed that in my bronzer video and my other eyeshadow video, but I truly think that she has perfected her powder formulation, and she can do no wrong to me. I feel like she has taken her powder formulation and she's turned it up, because everything is amazing. It's not powdery. It's not too tightly compacted to where you can't pick up any product. It works well with pretty much all of my brushes. I've not tried a brush yet that her highlighter, bronzer, and eyeshadow formulation just doesn't work beautifully with, and I'm so in love with her products. I love this highlighter. I love that it is a really light rose gold highlighter. So it's versatile, so lighter complexions can wear it. I'm a medium complected person, I can wear it, and if you have a darker complexion, you definitely can wear it. It's just a really nice, lighter, smooth highlighter, and I like her formulation. It's very finely milled. It doesn't look powdery on the skin. It doesn't look too blinding like 2016. It's just beautiful, and I love this. So this has been something that I've been reaching for all the time, and it's definitely one of my favorite highlighters at the moment. And then this palette right here though, Charlotte. Her eyeshadow formula is banging. And when I say it's banging, I mean it. I think this is beautiful. If you like these type tones, you're going to like this palette. These are highly blendable. They're not powdery. They give great color payoff. These colors work well with one another. I think there's a nice range of colors here to do a lot of different looks. Now, if you have a deeper complexion, in order to make this palette have a little bit more depth, I would just reach into a darker brown just to give just a little bit more range. But if you don't want to and you want your look to be a little bit more whimsical, these colors in here are perfect because they don't lack the depth to be able to allow you to use this palette in and of itself. And you know I love some purple. And so when she included the purple in here, she was speaking to me. I want to see her give us even more color in 2021. Charlotte, give us a little bit of green. Go a little bit more wild with the purple. Throw in some blues in there, Charlotte. Go crazy. I think that her formula is amazing, and I cannot wait to see what she does going forward, because this right here is beautiful. Let me know what you all think about these products down in the comment section. So I will check you all in my very next video, which will be super soon. Smooches. Bye.